but I'm getting my life together today and we're gonna get some stuff done. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me, but it's actually Tuesday of this week. Yesterday I had a terrible migraine. I stayed home from work, which is the first time that's happened in a long time. But I'm getting my life together today and we're gonna get some stuff done. And I actually got a few things done yesterday when I was feeling pretty good before I went back to bed. But today is really the start of the week. So let's talk about the kit. This is really cute. We're starting with some holiday kits this week. So this is tinsel from Caress Press. It is beautiful. I really love this letter board, this little present. I need to start wrapping presents because this present box reminded me that. But this is just so cute and I really like the color scheme. It's just a little bit different, really fun. I love the pops of the black with these lighter colors. It's just really fun. And then we got an extra box here with a little nutcracker. Is she cheersing the nutcracker? Perhaps. We got an extra box here. And I think it's kind of nutcracker themed, just judging by this box. Or maybe you can make it nutcracker themed. Haven't seen the nutcracker in a while, but I still love it. I love that weekend banner. That's really cute. So this is what we're working with this week. I think it's going to turn out really cute. So if you've never seen one of my plans that go plan with me, is the way that I do mine is that I go ahead and set up the week, usually the Sunday before, but today is Tuesday, so we're going with that. And then I'll check in with you as much as I can, and then I'll add in some memory keeping and pictures at the very end of the week. So I think we're ready to get going, so let's do it. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi, and I love the background of this, and I actually ended up getting a Christmas countdown, and I put those over the bottom washi, but I don't have that in this video. But when I post pictures to Instagram, I will have that in there. They're just so cute. They're from Fox and Cactus. Okay, so we've got the bottom washi down. We've got date covers going on right now, and I love the background of those. They're really, really pretty. They are rather thin, and I'm looking at my planner for next year. I'm definitely going to have to white out some stuff or something, because these are thin and I use Caress Press kits all the time, and so I'm just gonna have to be mindful of that in the future. I love the black, like the accents in this kit, so pretty. Okay, so I just pulled a bunch of full boxes and I'm placing those where I want. I like the double box, so I put that on Monday and Tuesday, and then just the other ones sporadically throughout the spread. We'll fill in some more when we get there, when we get to the actual days. So I'm putting in some deco across the top. I love the deco in this kit. So cute. I love the little ho 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 banner and that little letter board. Adorable. And I love how tiny it is. So cute. Okay, so now I'm putting in my box for my favorite moment of the week, which we'll do at the end. And then I'm using some glitter headers to cover up the bottom two habits because I just don't use those, and added a bit of deco. And then just adding in my habits for this week. Same ones I've been using, so nothing new right there. And then using my dot marker to add in some dots and hearts. Hearts for daily gratitude, dots for daily to-dos. I put a bunch on Monday because I ended up staying home and I needed to get some things done. So after my migraine thankfully subsided, I did get quite a bit done. And then I'm using a full box or a half box vertically and adding in a little sticker for that. And I'm just putting this in for that terrible migraine. So I'm grabbing a little recharge sticker and then this little pillow with the Z's above it from Fox and Pip, and just putting in that I took off the day for the migraine. I hate doing that, but it just was not gonna work that day. And then just adding in some more to-dos throughout the week. More to-dos. Lots of to-dos this week. And then just adding in my gratitude for today, which was lots of sleep. And then since it is Tuesday that I'm filling this out, I am going ahead and adding a few things for Tuesday. So I've got some to-dos, looking at past spreads for some ideas. And then that little third box, I believe that is, I'm adding that in for my workout and grabbing a little Fox and Cactus sticker for that. it is Thursday and it is so cold outside. It actually snowed a little bit today and there was like not very much visibility on the way home, but I am home, but I'm not going outside again. It's so cold. So, I did get some stuff done yesterday, actually quite a lot, but I did not wrap the gifts. I did organize them into piles and I cleared off my dining room table. So I feel like that was a win, but we're going to hopefully wrap some gifts tonight. And I do want to work out. I think I'm going to do fly dance because it'll get me nice and warm and it'll be fun. But yeah, that's the plan for today. And then we're going to wrap some gifts. And I need to meal plan and do the floors. But some of this may get moved over here. Maybe. We shall see. I've been working on my goal prep work like quite a bit. And I feel pretty confident in what I've done so far. So yeah, it's been good. Next week is going to be my intentions and word of the year and my word of the year mind map. And I'm excited. Excited. Okay, so what else today? I think I'm just going to leave it at that. And then we're going to put in a full box in a little bit. But let's put in a box for my workout. Let's use this one. And actually, I'm going to write on it before we put it down. Let me find a workout sticker. We're going to keep going with the redheaded girls here. And I think we'll do another like little sweat one. I'm really liking the fly dance. It's really fun. And at this point, it's worth the money that I'm paying each month, which is like $21. It's been good. Really fun. I like the instructors a lot. So far, I've done like the beginner friendly ones, which is like I think it's Tuesday workouts are those. And it's been good because they like break down stuff a little bit more and like explain things. But I definitely like the instructors. They are really good at explaining everything and they're just fun. There's this guy, and if you've watched their like Instagram reels or TikToks, you have seen him before, but he's so magnetic and like I can't stop watching him. He's so fun. Okay, so full box next. We gotta stay on topic or I'm never gonna get this done. I think we're gonna do this one. And then I don't really have anything else to put in today. So I think we'll just leave this open. Habits or gratitude, I should say. I'm going to put the snow because it was very pretty. My sister took a video of it and sent it to us. I didn't even know it was snowing until I looked outside, but it was so cold. Okay, that is it for today. I'll see you tomorrow or maybe Saturday. We'll see. It is Saturday and I had a bit of a slow morning. I was wrapping gifts and just watching some Law & Order SVU because I finally got Peacock. I am trading out Hulu and Max because I had those bundled together. And I'm trading those in for Peacock. Save a little bit of money and try something new. And we can always switch it up later. So today, I need to get the laundry going for sure. And I need to strip my bed and wash the linens. I did already do my nails this morning. And then there's something else I needed to do today. What was it? Oh, I need to wash my hair. Okay, and then tomorrow, just like some normal stuff plus YouTube prep. And I'm sure there's other things I'm going to remember in a minute. I'm working on the water right now. I have been slacking off on most of my goals this week, or my habits this week, and I don't know why. It was such a long week at school. I'm really glad I had time last night to just chill out and wrap some more gifts and watch some TV I hadn't been able to watch in a while. I love Law & Order SVU. It's one of my favorite shows ever. And it was just nice to be able to have access to it again, along with some other cool stuff. If you have Peacock and you have show recommendations, let me know those down below. I'd love to hear them. Okay, so beneath this, I need to put in a full box, and I think I'm going to go with this one because I just think it's kind of cute. For some reason, my Instagram algorithm is like showing me a bunch of ballerina stuff. I have no idea why, but not mad at it because it is pretty fascinating to watch them. I don't know how they do it, but I love the ballet and I love like any kind of dance. I think it's super fun. I've got to film my goals video today. I've got everything set aside and ready to go. I just need to get it done, and it's going to take a while, and I might have to do it in 2 parts. I'm like rethinking something. I might do it in 2 videos. I don't know. It's just going to be a really, really long video or like otherwise. So I'm just going to play it by ear. We might do 2 videos though, because, and I'll just like put them on the same day or like back to back or something. So that's the plan today. Nothing major, just relaxing a little bit. And I finished buying all of my stocking stuffers yesterday, and I ordered a gift for, so my sister's brother-in-law. So my brother-in-law's brother and his wife, they had a very, very, very preemie baby. He's 24 weeks this week, and he's so tiny. And that was not planned, obviously, but I got on their registry and ordered them a gift because they were not planning on this happening so soon, and it has been, I'm sure, super, super stressful, but he's just like a tiny little nugget, and he's just so tiny, and yeah, we're all rooting for him and the family, of course. So that was kind of fun to get on her registry and get something, because I think she had to throw that together because it was not planned, but I'm glad I was able to do that for them. I think tonight I'm gonna wrap some more gifts, and we'll just go ahead and put that in because why not? I also need to go get some stuff out of my mailbox. I noticed that today, but that's no big deal. We can do it tomorrow even. And yeah, we gotta get some more gifts wrapped. I've got everything. The only thing I'm lacking is like 1 thing for my sister Callie, and then a couple more stocking stuffer things. But those, I'm not really worried about it. I just want to get everything wrapped, you know? I just want it done. It's one of my least favorite things about the holidays. I love having a tree though in the living room with like all of the gifts, all uniform. They look so cute. Like so far what I've done, they're like either black and white plaid, or they're like craft paper, like the brown craft paper, and I put a little ribbon on them, little white like mesh ribbon, and then I put a little card with their name. I like wrote their name out and then put a little bit of washi on it, and I have some stickers from Fox and Cactus coming that I'm going to pop on there too. They're really cute. They're like little dogs and cats in getting into some Christmas trouble, but yeah, it's adorable right now. I just need to finish. Let's just grab this little stocking, pop that on there, and then I think I will just relax tonight and recharge, because like I said, this week it wasn't bad, it was just a lot, and we're all a little tired. I know I keep saying that. It's just been a rough year, and like it's just been hard, and yeah, well, I'm just trying to get through it the best way I can, and what I have found so far is just rest and recharging whenever I can. I'd like to do a workout. I wanted to do a walk, but it is so dang windy out right now. Like I can hear it. You may be able to hear it too. It's so bad. We've had like no wind lately, and then all of a sudden it's like, it's back. I'm gonna grab one of these. We're still at the point where my cats are leaving the tree alone, which is good, but I did find an ornament the other day. I think it was when I was gone. And my other cat, I don't know, man. This is hard. As a pet parent, how do you know when to say goodbye? My cat, Liberty, I think she's either 14 or 15 now. I got her in 2008. And she's just clearly in her end of life stage. And it's so hard to watch. But she's still eating and like doing her normal stuff. She's just slowing down so much, and like she doesn't have a lot of strength left. I have to put her up on the couch and stuff, and like it's just really sad. And I'm thinking like once we're out of school that I'm gonna have to make that decision, and it's gonna be really hard, but that is just part of having pets. So okay, what was I gonna put in this box? No idea. I'm gonna just go ahead and fill this in. Totally messed that up. Let's try again. I'm just gonna go ahead and put Liberty here. Sweet cat. She's never been snuggly. She's never, like, wanted to be around me all the time. She's just one of those cats, like, she just does her own thing all the time, but, like, she's been snuggling lately. Like, she'll sit with me on the like, on the couch and stuff, and, like, she'll, like, lay there forever if you want her to. It's just, yeah, it's just different. Like, she's just one of those cats that lives her own life, but I still love her so much. It's just hard, you know? Okay, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna fill in something here. I'm probably gonna watch, like, find a new show on Peacock and, like, try it out. Maybe one of the originals. And then maybe up here, we can put in something as well. I don't know what. I'll think of that later, and I'll see you tomorrow. It is Sunday, and I've got pictures. I laid them down kind of where I want them, but then, like, this situation over here, let's just see what I need to add. A few things, actually. So all of this plus what? Oh my gosh. I need 2 at least for, I need to color my roots and fold the laundry and put that away. And I'm going to do the floors because I didn't do that Thursday and it needs to be done. So let me write this in. Gratitude, I'm going to put my mom. She actually just called me a minute ago and I need to call her back. And I think that's it. So favorite moment of the week. Well, let's do habits real quick first. Okay, meds, and I'll finish this later. I'm just slacking off today. I don't know what my problem is. Okay, let's get these pictures down and see where we're at. So this is a picture of my mom. I don't know if she rang the bell, but she's standing beside the bell with a certificate and she looks very proud, which she should be. Finishing her radiation treatment, which was rough. Sunrise this day was absolutely beautiful. And then I got this Races advent calendar. Oh my gosh, it's ridiculous, but it's been really fun. Actually, it's only been like a couple days so far that I've used it, but it's been really fun so far. I'm not an advent calendar person because I don't like being surprised, but this one I already know what's in there. I just don't know, like, how much. So it's fine. I'm gonna cut this one down. That felt really good to get done yesterday. I actually split the video into 2 parts. So it'll be like Wednesday and Thursday because it was just way too much for one video. It would have been like almost an hour long and nobody wants to watch that. So I split it up and I think that'll work a lot better. So I think I want to put in something here. Let me see what I have left in the kit when it comes to deco because that might be kind of fun. We've got some cake. That's cute. Yeah. And what else? Okay, favorite moments. I think my mom's finishing her radiation. I actually cried last night. I was like in my feelings because my cat is just, she's getting older and she's 15 now. And I hate this like stage, you know, because I don't know when, I don't know. I made an appointment with the vet for 2 weeks from now and I'm going to give her that much time because she's just going downhill. And like, if I need to go earlier, I will, but I went ahead and put that on my calendar because it's time. I feel that, but I'm also like fighting it, you know, it just sucks. So I didn't write that in here, but it's definitely on my mind today. She just, like I wrote here, this is hard and makes you feel like, I don't know, just really conflicted, but I want to do the right thing for her. So I hate to end on a bad note there, but we're finished. I'm going to do my list today and finish up my habits, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Is that cat hair everywhere? Okay. Sorry. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I'll see you next week. Bye.